All right, let's cut right to it. We're talking about the sins of beginner editing, but not like you think. You got the expensive gear, you shot decent footage, but it just feels off. Amateur. The secret isn't the software you buy. It's all about the technique. And we're fixing that right now. Sin number one, and it's a big one. Diving in with absolutely no plan. Just chaos. The fix. A simple 3-point plan. Ask yourself, what's the goal? The message? The feeling?
Next sin, bad pacing. Your video needs a heartbeat. Too fast or too slow, and you lose them.
Golden rule. If a shot feels even a little boring to you, it's definitely boring to them. Cut it.
We've all been there. You discover the effects panel, and suddenly, everything has a glow.
The pro move? Less flex, more impact. Every single effect has to serve the story. Another attention killer, your whole video just exists at one energy level. It's visually flat. Think like a roller coaster. You need the build-up, the peak, and the payoff moment. But there is one sin worse than all the others combined. The one that makes people click away instantly. I'm talking about bad audio. Audio is 50% of the video, at a bare minimum.
You'll watch a grainy video with perfect sound. You will not watch a 4K film with horrible audio.
The fix. Dialogue clear around -6 decibels. Music always sits below the dialogue. Always. If you only have time to fix one thing, fix the audio. It is the one truly unforgivable sin. And that's the secret. Avoid these fundamental mistakes, and your work will instantly look more professional. It doesn't matter what program you use. So the only question left is, which one will you fix first?